What are we doing? Tell me what we're doing. I'll give them back to you. Okay, can you get the sprinkles? Good job. Oh, very nice. A little bit more on this one. Can I see your face? What are you doing? See, we're making cupcakes for Dada for his birthday. You already had one. All right, they look awesome.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, perfect. I love it. Perfect. I love it. Look. Look. All done. Let's put the top on. Maybe not everybody likes 1,000 sprinkles on their cupcakes.
Dada next one.
I know. Grace, he's not home yet. When he gets home, he can have some. What are you doing? Grace? Hey. All right, smile. Let me see your teeth real quick. Grace. All right. Okay, say happy birthday to Dada. Say it.
Happy birthday to Dada.
All right, let's clean up.